Hello everybody. Here is Geoje. Here you can see Geoje 조선 해양 문화관. And here is Geoje 해양 레포츠 센터. Today's weather is very fine. Yesterday cloudy and rainy, but today is very fine. There are lots of boats here. You can see some people are working in the small boat. This one is a small sea pool. So nowadays in April the water is very cold, but in summer there are lots of people play in this sea pool. Air is very fresh here. Wind is also very nice. Geoje is a very nice place. Okay, now I will go to Geoje 어촌 민속 전시관 here. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.